difficult period, I think a period of great frustration, and I've heard but quite a mixed picture. Funds, all kinds of things. So there are big programs on international collaborations.
To collaborate, to work together, to deliver what we really need in this country. What it really does is unlocks a huge amount of potential for our research, enables our researchers to work together with people from across the European Union.
This is the best of news. It's the deal we've all been waiting for, and I'm so pleased that it's been secured today. I know that researchers in businesses and universities and medical charities across the UK will be delighted today and relieved that the deal has been done.
What will this?
Well, the research relationship between the UK and Europe is very important and has been strong for very many years. So we've had a period of 3 or so years where there's been quite a lot of uncertainty about how that relationship will develop in the future, and I think that this deal being secured really allows us now to be confident and allows researchers to go forward with their collaborations and ideas with great enthusiasm. So it's a really strong
Community.
I think this is terrific news for the UK's position globally, because not only does it strengthen our relationship with Europe, which is what the whole scientific community wanted, I think it also makes the UK a more attractive place for businesses and researchers to invest and to settle themselves from across the world, because now they know that being placed in the UK gives them access also to the research collaborations of Europe.
And is this
the connections with other research groups, access to large-scale facilities which no one country could afford, access to larger populations in order to study things like rare medical diseases and do clinical trials and so on. In fact, I think the COVID pandemic has shown us that working internationally can reap huge rewards for us all, and that you need to oftentimes to be able to tackle certain problems.
Well, it's fantastic news for all of our researchers, and it's fantastic news because it means they can now collaborate, lead, innovate and research some of the most important questions facing our societies, facing humanity. And we can do that in an unimpeded way across the whole of the European Union and the Horizon programme. That's a big deal because that gives us access to funding, to money. And so we're very grateful to the UK government and to the European Commission for successfully negotiating this. Going. But what we lacked was the opportunity to lead consortia, to put together really big bids and to participate in some of the detailed elements of the programme. That's now unlocked, and so what we've got is a good platform from which we can really accelerate and we can really lead on some of the research that's most important today, whether it's advances in medicine or new space probes or different forms of AI algorithm. These are all things that are unlocked by this agreement.